Bookkeeping and Accountancy, Standard 12, Chapter number 3, Reconstitution of Partnership, Admission of Partner. Before going to solve a question, there are some important points which require attention at the time of admission of a new partner, that is new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, valuation and adjustment of goodwill, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities, distribution of accumulated profits, reserves, adjustment of partners' capital. Today we are going to solve question number 4 from government textbook, which is given on page number 163. Mr. Deep and Mr. Karan were in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3:1 respectively. Here 3:1 means it is an old ratio. 3:1 means 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 share. Out of this 4 share, 3 share of Mr. Deep and 1 share of Mr. Karan. Now see here, the balance sheet on 31st March 2018 stood as follows. So it is an old balance sheet. We have to prepare a new balance sheet. See the last line. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and balance sheet of a new firm. So it is clear, in this question we have to prepare ledger account and balance sheet of a new firm. They have liabilities, they have assets. Liability side, sundry creditors 40,000, bills payable 10,000, bank overdraft 11,000, capital account of Deep 60,000, Karan 20,000, total 80,000. It is an old capital. General reserve 8,000. It is distributed to old partners in old ratio. Asset side, cash 40,000, sundry debtors 32,000, land and building 16,000, stock 20,000, plant and machinery 30,000, furniture 11,000. See the next line. They admit Shubham into partnership on 1st April 2018. When they admit new partner? On 1st April 2018. So our new balance sheet is prepared on the date 1st April 2018. Now see the first adjustment. He shall have to bring in rupees 20,000 as his capital for 1/5 share in future profit and 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So this adjustment is related to new partner's capital and his share of goodwill. Number 2, a provision for 5% doubtful debts to be created on sundry debtors. Here we have to create RDD on debtors. Number 3, furniture to be depreciated by 20%. Number 4, stock should be appreciated by 5% and building be appreciated by 20%. Last adjustment, capital account of all partners be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio through cash account. This is your question. While solving the question, we are going to do first posting. For posting, we are going to first mark the items which have adjustment. So see the second adjustment, it is related to sundry debtors. So tick on sundry debtors. Third adjustment related to furniture. So mark on furniture. Fourth adjustment is related to stock and building. So mark on stock, land and building. Now we have to start posting. Now see, remember two things. Whenever we are going to do posting, at that time the item which have adjustment, that item's amount we have to write in inner column, and the item which don't have any adjustment, that item's amount we have to write in outer column. Clear all of you? Now see the balance sheet. Now we are going to post old balance sheet into new one. See asset side, sundry debtors 32,000. So I wrote sundry debtors amount in inner column 32,000. Land and building inner column 16,000. stock, inner column 20,000, plant and machinery, outer column 30,000 because they don't have any adjustment. Next, furniture 11,000, inner column. Liability side, sundry creditors 40,000, outer column. Bills payable, outer column 10,000. Bank overdraft, outer column 11,000 because they don't have any adjustment. Then C, on asset side, first item is cash. So cash is an asset. For that we already prepare a separate cash account. So in cash account debit side, I wrote to balance brought down 40,000. Next, liability side, capital account of Deep, Karan, we have to post this to partners capital account credit side. Buy balance brought down in Deep 60,000, in Karan 20,000. Next, general reserve. General reserve is distributed to old partners in old ratio. Then here buy general reserve account in Deep 6,000, Karan 2,000. Here we done with posting. See the first adjustment. He shall have to bring in rupees 20,000 as his capital for 1/5 share in future profit and 10,000 as his share of goodwill. Now this adjustment we are going to solve half. First half says Mr. Shubham bring 20,000 as his capital. So whenever new partner brought capital in cash in the firm, at that time we have to pass entry cash account debit to Shubham's capital account. We have to post this entry cash account debit side. We have to write to Shubham's capital account 20,000 and in partners capital account credit side in Shubham buy cash account 20,000. See the next half adjustment, 10,000 as his share of goodwill. Whenever new partner brought goodwill in the firm, we have to pass two entries. First entry is cash account debit to goodwill account. Second entry, goodwill account debit to Dev's capital account to Karan's capital account. So we have to post this entry in cash account. So cash account debit to goodwill account 10,000. In goodwill account credit side by cash account 10,000 will come. See the second entry. Already we done first entry cash account debit to goodwill account. Now see the second one, goodwill account debit 10,000 to Dev's capital account 7,500 to Karan's capital account 2,500. Goodwill is distributed to old partners in. See the calculation of ratios. Here step number 1, find out balance of 1. It is very simple. 1 minus new partner's share. So 1 minus 1/5 we will get 4/5. Step number 2, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio into balance of 1. We have 3 partners. Deep is equal to 3/4 into 4/5 is equal to 12/20. Karan is equal to 1/4 into 4/5 is equal to 4/20. Shubham 1/5 into 4 is equal to 4/20. So here new profit sharing ratio is 12:4:4. We can make it short, that is 3:1:1. Now it is easy to calculate sacrifice ratio. See the formula, old ratio minus new ratio. Deep is equal to 3/4 minus 3/5 is equal to 15 minus 12/20 is equal to 3/20. Karan is equal to 1/4 minus 1/5 is equal to 5/4 upon 20 is equal to 1/20. So the sacrifice ratio is 3:1. So here we have to distribute goodwill in 3:1 ratio to old partners. Second entry is goodwill account debit to Deep's capital account to Karan's capital account. So we have to post this entry here. Goodwill account debit side we have to write Deep's capital account 7,500 to Karan's capital account 2,500. Here goodwill account got tally. Then in partners capital account credit side, in Deep by goodwill account 7,500, in Karan by goodwill account 2,500. See the adjustment number 2. A provision for 5% doubtful debts to be created on sundry debtors. In this adjustment we have to create RDD on debtors. Already we wrote debtors amount in inner column 32,000. On that 32,000 we have to create RDD at the rate of 5%, that is 1,600. 32,000 minus 1,600, outer column will come 30,400. Second effect will come on profit and loss adjustment account debit side to RDD account 1,600. It is a loss of the firm. See the third adjustment. Furniture to be depreciated by 20%. Now the adjustment related to furniture. Already we wrote furniture's amount in inner column 11,000. On this 11,000 we have to minus depreciation at the rate of 20%. Depreciation means reduction in the value of fixed asset. So 20% is 2,200. So 11,000 minus 2,200, outer column will come 8,800. Second effect will come on profit and loss adjustment account debit side to furniture account 2,200. See the fourth adjustment. Stock should be appreciated by 5% and building be appreciated by 20%. Now see the adjustment is given on stock and building on appreciation. Appreciation means increase the value of asset. So already we took stocks amount in inner column 20,000. So we have to add appreciation amount. So add appreciation at the rate of 5%, that is 1,000. Outer column will come 21,000. Land and building, already we took amount 16,000. Add appreciation at the rate of 20%, that is 3,200. Outer column will come 19,200. Second effect will come on profit and loss adjustment account credit side by stock account 1,000, by building account 3,200. See the last adjustment. Capital account of all partners be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio through cash account. Here we have to adjust capital in new profit sharing ratio through cash account. Once again see the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. We got the new profit sharing ratio, that is 3:1:1. Now it is easy to calculate adjusted capital. As we have three partners, Deep, Karan and Shubham, we know the new ratio. New ratio of Deep is 3, Karan 1 and Shubham 1. Out of these three, we know the new capital of Shubham, that is 20,000. So it is easy to calculate 20,000 upon 1 is equal to 20,000. Karan having 1 share. So already we got the 1 share value is 20,000. Current share value is 1. So 20,000 multiplied 1 by 1. So Karan's new capital is also 20. Deep having 3 shares. So 20,000 multiplied by 3. So Deep's new capital is 60,000. Therefore, new capital of Deep is 60,000, current 20,000 and Shubham 20,000. Now, this new capital we have to posted in partners capital account debit side. Two balance carried down. In Deep 60,000, in current 20,000, in Shubham 20,000. And second effect will come in balance sheet liability side. Capital account Deep inner column 60,000, current inner column 20,000, Shubham inner column 20,000, outer column 1 lakh. Now we have to close the account. For closing profit and loss adjustment account, we have to take total of debit side and credit side. Debit side total is 3,800 and credit side total is 4,200. So we have to write both the side 4,200. On debit side 4,200 minus 3,800, balance will come 400. This balance is an profit on revaluation which we have to transfer to partners capital account. We have to distribute in 3:1. So Deep is 300 and current is 100. Second effect of this given on partners capital account credit side by profit and loss adjustment account in bracket profit, Deep 300, current 100. Now we have to close partners capital account. For closing partners capital account, we have to take total of Deep's debit side and credit side. Deep debit side total is 60,000 and credit side total is 73,800. We have to write both the side 73,800. On debit side we have to minus 60,000 from 73,800. We will get the balance, that is 13,800. This 13,800 we have to adjust through cash account. So in partners capital account we have to write debit side to cash account in the 13,800. It indicates balancing figure. Take current debit side total and credit side total. Current debit side total is 20,000 and credit side total is 24,600. We have to write both the side 24,600. On debit side we have to minus 20,000 from 24,600. Balance will come 4,600. Once again this balance we have to adjust through cash account. So in partners capital account debit side we have to write to cash account in current 4,600. Take Shubham's capital, debit side total and credit side total. Shubham debit side total is 20,000. Shubham credit side total is 20,000. So here no balance is found. Now this amount we have to transfer to cash account credit side as by Deep's capital account 13,800, by current's capital account 4,600. Now here we have to close cash account. Cash account debit side total is 70,000 and credit side total 18,400. So we have to write both the sides 70,000. Out of 70,000 we have to minus 18,400. We will get 51,600 as a balance. So we have to write by balance carried down 51,600. After closing the cash account balance transferred to balance sheet asset side as cash account 51,600. Now we have to tally balance sheet. For that we have to take total of liability side and asset side. The amount will come 1,61,000. So here our balance sheet got tallied. Thank you.